Back again, back to back, made back, stacked it.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I want to start off by saying that today's video is sponsored by iPulse cell phone cases. iPulse cell phone cases is a cell phone company with a store on Amazon, and they also have their own website, which I will link in the description box. They sent me over this really cute phone case that I actually have on my phone right now. It makes me feel so business savvy. I feel like the most important person in the world when I have this phone case. Sometimes I just don't like holding a purse or a clutch or anything like that. So my phone case now is like a wallet and a phone case. I can put my ID, my credit cards, and everything on this side. And then on this side here, I have my phone. And on top of that, it's made of full grain leather. It doesn't get more sophisticated and popping than that. Also, the good thing about iPulse cell phone cases is that a portion of the proceeds go to this nonprofit foundation called Unite for Children, where they help out children in need, sick, homeless, all kinds of children. And I think that that's really dope. I'm all about giving back, so I definitely went ahead and purchased 2 more phone cases from them after they sent me a phone case, just so a portion of my purchase can go towards helping these children, because Isha love the kids. Okay, so thanks again iPulse phone cases for sending me over this bomb cell phone case. And they also sent me a discount code, which I will link in the description box and at the bottom of the screen for you dolls, so you can go and shop yet another bomb iPhone case from another bomb iPhone brand. Before we get into today's video and this bomb look that I have going on here, y'all know I stepped out my comfort zone yet again today. We got a bomb cut crease going on. We're rocking some MINK and we're just living. But I know y'all dolls been fiending and waiting for me to announce the winner of my 10K giveaway. So I want to thank you all for participating. The love was unreal, like unreal. I couldn't even imagine that I'd gotten this much love from you dolls. But the giveaway winner is, drum roll please, thank you so much, Bella K. I'm gonna call you Bella K because I can't pronounce the ending of your name. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your comment. I really appreciate you for tuning in along with the rest of the dolls in the dollhouse. I love you all so much. Let's keep the same energy. Let's keep the same momentum. Let's keep the channel growing. And stay tuned for more giveaways, because I'm a grateful person and I love to show my gratitude. Getting into today's look, I wanted to do a chit chat get ready with me for you dolls, since I won't be doing the question and answer video until I hit 15K. So if you dolls want to see this Q&A and get your questions answered, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to my channel. And if you're currently watching right now and you're not subscribed, I'm judging you. Get out of here. Go hit that subscribe button on my home page. Also hit the notification bell so you're notified every single time I drop a new video. I'm gonna stop mumbling and I'm gonna just jump right into this video so we can get to the chit and the chatting. This is a little different for me. This is my first chit chat get ready with me, and the topic of discussion in today's video is going to be why I started YouTube. Now, this is something that, you know, you dolls would ask any YouTuber, why did you start YouTube? So that's what we're going to talk about. For starters, my eyebrows are tinted, which is so amazing. Like, this was my first time getting my eyebrows tinted, so we don't have to do anything to our brows today. I'm gonna just brush them into place and call it a day. I'm gonna start off by priming my face with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. Y'all already know I love this. I started YouTube because I wanted to build a platform for myself to promote my hair extensions and my lash extensions. You dolls already know, have a small little company. I sell and distribute hair and lashes. Anytime you dolls see me do a look, I'm always featuring one of the lashes from my lash collection, so definitely go check it out. Being that this is a Chit Chat Get Ready with me, I'm not really good in multitasking, so today I'll be featuring the Soft Glam Palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I absolutely love it. The shades are like right up my alley. All of these neutral shades right here. I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Concealer to clean up my eyebrows, even though they don't need to be cleaned up, but I'm gonna just define them some more and just lighten up my brow bone. And this is in the color Toffee. To blend that all out, I'm gonna use my BH Cosmetics blending brush. To keep it real with you, I honestly can't remember the last time it was this easy to do my brows. But yeah, like I was saying, I started my YouTube channel so I can promote my hair and lash extensions, promote my business, put myself out there more, get my face out there more, because you know it's not easy. And then I have my Instagram account, which was like my only form of social media along with Facebook. So I just came to the realization that my friends can't be my clientele. There's no way that I should be pitching my business and my products to my friends. Bottom line is, your friends are not going to support you as much as people who don't know you will support you. My core following on Instagram consisted of my friends, so I decided to create a different platform where I can meet new people, meet new friends, and be able to sell and share my products. Now I'm going to use that same concealer and I'm going to bring it all on my lid area. Then I'm going to blend it out with my BH Cosmetics blending brush. So I had my YouTube channel since 2014. 2014 I graduated college, and that's when I decided to start my business. Now, when I first started my business, I was using Instagram and Facebook to promote. So I started off doing little commercial shoots, and I would post these shoots on my Instagram. So in 2014, Instagram only allowed us to post video content that was 15 seconds long. I personally felt like 15 seconds wasn't enough time for me to like promote my brand or to get out the content I was trying to get out. So my videographer and I decided that we would use YouTube or Vimeo to post our content. So that's when I initially started my YouTube channel. But I started posting personal content about a year ago, like last summer. So now it went from me doing YouTube for my company and just to have a platform to promote this video, to me now actually using the platform to promote my products. Okay, so for the eyes, y'all already know I can't do my eye look without my Scotch tape. I'm gonna use the shade Sienna in my crease. Now I'm gonna use this dark brown shade. It's called Cypress Umber, and I'm gonna just define out that crease a little bit more. Now I'm gonna blend in those two colors with a clean blending brush. The key is to really blend for days. Now y'all know we're no pros here on this channel, but blending is really key. Now we're gonna hurry up and cut our crease so that I can get back to talking to y'all. The same shade that I used to shape up my brow bone, I'm gonna use to cut a crease in this gradiated eyeshadow look. And I'm gonna wing that cut crease out. I also wanna say that both of my eyelids never come out looking the same. I don't know if you dolls ever noticed, but one eyelid always looks better than the other. I'm gonna jump in and I'm gonna cover my cut crease with the shade Sultry. It's this nice rosy glittery pink shade. Then I'm gonna take the shade right next to Sultry, which is the rose pink, and I'm gonna just brighten up the lid. So yeah, what do you dolls feel about social media and, you know, starting a business and having friends that don't really support you, but you don't support me and not just watch and spectate. Like, you actually interact with me, and that's what I wasn't getting on Instagram, which is why I decided to move my social life to YouTube. Now, I'm still very active on Instagram, and my following is, you know, slowly but surely growing, thanks to you dolls, which is again why I'm here on YouTube. So now I'm going to use my Instant Age Rewind, and I'm going to just even out my skin tone before I lay down my foundation. And then I'm going to also use this to clean up the top of my brow. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Fresh Face Bare Minerals Made to Fit for Aisha foundation. This foundation was made especially for my skin tone. I also got this formulated using my iPhone 8 Plus, so if you dolls want to see how I got some custom foundation made for me with the Bare Minerals Made to Fit app, then I'll leave a link at the top of the screen so you dolls can go check that video out. It was super dope. Now I'm gonna just add some warmth back into my face, and I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Espresso. So now that we talked about why and how I started YouTube, let's talk about my goals for YouTube. I don't know where I see myself with YouTube. Like I said, I started YouTube so I can build a platform for my company, for my brand, and now I have other companies hitting me up, you know, to help them market their brand using my platform. Yeah, so I feel like YouTube is actually going to open, you know, different doors for me and create different opportunities for me. So when I think about my goals with YouTube, I think that the opportunities are endless. There's no telling where the Aisha Mariah brand is gonna go, aside from, you know, me having my cute little boutique online store. Now for concealer, I'm gonna use my Naked Creamy Skin Concealer, and this is in the shade Medium Dark. Absolutely love this stuff. I don't know, I'm actually really comfortable here on YouTube. I love connecting with you dolls. I love, you know, having a platform where I can share something and do something that, you know, I actually really enjoy. And then there's you dolls. You dolls enjoy what I do as much as I enjoy what I do, which is really, really cool. Now I'm gonna blend my face out with the same brush that I use to lay down my foundation, because this is a little bright, but blending is key, honey. This concealer is just so creamy. I love it. Now I'm gonna use my blending sponge to blend down my under eye. Alright, so like I was saying, my goals and the opportunities here on YouTube are limitless. I think it's cool, you know, having a platform where I can not only promote myself, but I can also help others. Pause real quick. When it comes to the under eyes, I have a trick, you know, because creasing sucks. So what I do is I put my mirror up there, and then I go in looking upwards. Wow, I absolutely just love that finish. That was beautiful. Now to set my entire face, I'm gonna use my Bare Minerals Pro Foundation, and this is in the shade Clove 28.
Back again, back to back, made back, stack the M's. Told him I miss Slim Shady, back to M. Once he go black, he'll be back again.
Don't hurt me if, you know, this talk through get ready with me isn't going as planned. Oh my gosh, my shirt is a mess. I wore this doll shirt just for you dolls today. I have to change it out for my intro. Ugh. Okay, so I went ahead and I did my under eyes. I used the same shades that I used in my crease to do my under eyes. The camera died, so please forgive me. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my contour, and I'm gonna use the darkest shade in my True Complexion Contour Palette. So like I was saying, I'm excited for where YouTube's gonna take me. I'm not gonna say I wanna, you know, I want what other thriving beauty gurus have on YouTube. I'm just open for whatever and wherever YouTube takes me. So yeah. Let me know in my comment section below, like, what do you guys expect from me on YouTube? Like, you know, you want to know what I expect out of YouTube. I want to know what you dolls expect from me. You guys definitely motivate me to go harder and to really get back in front of the camera. Because there's days where I'm not motivated at all, but then I read your comments. There's not a day that your comments don't pop up on my phone. So I read your comments and boom, I'm motivated all over again. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes on off camera, and I'll be back to close out the video. Okay, so today I chose to wear my MINK lashes from my lash collection. You dolls already know a link will be in the description box below for you to click on, so you can go ahead and shop, check out the website, and then let me know if you liked anything. I'll definitely be creating a promo code especially for you dolls, so stay tuned for that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my entire face. I'm gonna be using my Urban Decay Chill Makeup Setting Spray. Then for my favorite part, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to highlighting. I got this Jenny Jenkins highlight palette from Black Up, and I picked this up when I went to the makeup show. If you dolls still haven't checked out my makeup show vlog, I'll leave a link in the description box as well as somewhere at the top of the screen so you guys can go see it. I had so much fun at the show. I don't know which color to use, so I'm gonna use every single color. Then just swatch my brush all over the palette. Oh yes, honey, look at that glow. Ooh, girl, Jenny Jenkins. Now I do believe Jenny is a YouTuber as well, because I looked up the palette and I seen that she's a YouTuber. I didn't know of her channel prior to purchasing the palette, but listen, Jenny, honey, I will be looking at your videos from now on. My, and this glow just complements my entire eye look today. So this is how we glowing, honey. Last but not least, you dolls already know how I roll. I feel like my eyes are very dramatic today, so I'm gonna just go ahead with my Fenty Gloss Bomb Lip Gloss. This is my go-to. Y'all already know how I feel about this stuff. Yes, I am loving everything about this look. So here you have it, dolls. This is the final look. I'm absolutely loving it. This look was winged, as you know it. Had a hard time, you know, multitasking. So give me a thumbs up if you think I did well with this first Chit Chat Get Ready with me. Listen, cut me some slack because this was my first time doing it, and I'll get better as, you know, I do more and more. If you also would like to see more videos like this, give me another thumbs up. Let me know in my comment section below what other videos you would like to see from me, and thank you again so much for watching. I'll see you dolls in my next video.